Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoom Pro account easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Zoom Pro account, start by navigating to the Zoom website. Log in with your existing Zoom account credentials. Once logged in, go to the account management section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the billing tab. In the billing section, you will see your current plan. If you are not on a Pro plan, select the upgrade option. This will direct you to the available plans. Choose the Pro plan that suits your needs. After selecting, click on the Continue button. You will now need to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields for billing details. Double-check to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click on the Pay button to process the payment. You should receive a confirmation message about your upgrade. To verify your new Pro account status, return to the Account Management section. You will find your new plan details displayed there. Congratulations, your Zoom Pro account is now activated. Explore the features available with your new Pro subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.